Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn some idioms with examples, and we'll use in real conversation. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the idioms we will use in real life conversation. Take something for granted. Meaning, to fail to appreciate something or someone that is valuable or important. Example, she took her family's support for granted until she moved away and had to manage everything on her own. To the utmost. Meaning, to the highest degree, with the greatest effort or extent. Example, he trained to the utmost to prepare for the marathon, running every day and following a strict diet. Take heart, meaning, to be encouraged or to remain hopeful in difficult situations. Example, even though the initial results were disappointing, the scientists took heart from the small successes they achieved. Think twice, meaning, to consider something carefully before making a decision or taking action. Example, you should think twice before quitting your job without another one lined up. Talk big, meaning, to boast or make grandiose statements, often without the intention or ability to follow through. Example, he likes to talk big about his business ventures, but none of them have been very successful so far. Hey, Jassy. You seem a bit down. What's going on?
I'm just feeling overwhelmed with work. I thought everything was under control, but it turns out I've been taking my team's support for granted.
That's tough. But take heart, you're recognizing it now, and that's the first step to making things right.
Thanks, Bella. You're right. I just need to focus and work to the utmost to show my appreciation and get things back on track.
Exactly. And remember, don't be afraid to ask for help. Sometimes we need to think twice about our decisions and how they affect others.
Definitely. I'll keep that in mind. By the way, I overheard Tom talking big about his new project. He seems really confident.
Oh, Tom always talks big. But you know, it's not just about talking big, it's about delivering results. And I'm sure if you give it your best, you'll achieve great things too.
Thanks, Bella. I'll make sure not to take anything for granted and put in my best effort from now on.
In this conversation, taking for granted refers to Jassy not fully appreciating his team's support. To the utmost emphasizes Jassy's intention to work as hard as possible. Take heart encourages Jassy to stay positive and hopeful. Think twice suggests being more considerate about decisions and their impacts. Talk big refers to Tom boasting about his new project. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel. For more video, please don't miss to press the bell icon.